Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So I'm gonna tap on the Connect icon to open the application. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, then scroll down, find the Garmin devices, select it, and here you should see your Epix Pro on the list of devices. Tap on it, and once the settings page for your Epix Pro open, tap on the More Options icon, tap on Remove Device, tap on Remove, and once you see this pop up, you can close the app. Now let's open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So Settings, Bluetooth, and here check if you see the watch on the list of paired devices. It's not here, so we can close the settings, but if it was on yours, you can tap on Settings or Info icon next to it, tap on Unpair or Forget, and confirm to remove it. And of course after that you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.